Good morning, students. Today we will read the lesson Flying Together. This story has been taken from Stories from Panchtantra, a wise old bird. Let us read the lesson. First, I read the things given in the clouds. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bags. Children, do you follow all these things advised by your elders, your teachers? Let us read the lesson. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Do you see the creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Said the geese, with surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the old bird, that little creeper will grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of this creeper, it will be possible for the hunters to climb the tree, and a hunter can come up and kill us all. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. We will see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up to the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So, this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net as they flew into the tree. They were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now, see what has happened. Tomorrow morning, the hunter will come back and kill us all. We were foolish, wept the birds. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not harm dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds, and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings, and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree he watched geese fly away. So, children, did you understand that living together means just listen to your elders, obey their advice, and it will be benefit you in the future. Thank you, children. Follow the reading, do the practice of reading the lesson. Thanks. In our next class, we will do the exercises based on this lesson. Also, I am going to tell the story in Hindi to you.